Hey guys, I just got this new HUBSAN X4 Air H501S drone. And I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to start flying. So how to put the propellers on. You have a little letter here, it says A, and then on the other propellers say B. And if you look right here on the drone, it'll actually tell you where the propellers go. Here's an A, here's a B, that one's a B, that one's an A, and this is the front of the drone. So how to put them on, comes with this little tool. And you take the A and you just match it up. You take the tool, you can see these notches, they go right inside this part right here, and all you do is just screw it on, hand tight, not too tight because you don't want to break your threads. I'm going the wrong way here. And that's it, just nice and snug. That's about all. Here's a B, goes in the B slot, again with the tool. Again, I'm going the wrong way. This one's also an A. It says A right here. Tool. Screw it on. And that is it for that. So here it says calibration. So what you do is you pull to the side, do this real quick, back and forth, until that thing goes away. It's right there, it says. Now it says calibration 1. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. So now what you do is, the calibration 1 is you go to the quadcopter. You put this down here, and you have to spin it clockwise. So you spin it clockwise until it goes away. Now you'll also notice the lights have changed from an orange to a green. That means it's calibrated that way. Now you face it down like so, and you go counterclockwise until those green lights go out, and also on the controller it goes out. And we are all set, ready to fly. So now, here on the controller, again, I don't know if you can see this, but on the top here, there's a GPS and it's in purple. You need at least 6 of the satellites in order to fly with GPS on, and this is your GPS right here. Up means on, down means off. On the bottom you need also, I believe, 6 for the controller. The controller also has GPS. Over here is return to home. Make sure it is off, otherwise you won't be able to fly because it'll think it's home. And you have your regular controllers. You also have this button here and this button here. This button here is for actual video recording, and this button here is for taking pictures. So now, to start it, what you do is, hopefully I can get both of these in picture here. You pull out to the sides and down to the lower corners, which should start up the propellers, which, as you can clearly see. And you can clearly see it's just sitting here because GPS is on. As I can move forward, I can move back, and when I let go of the controls, it automatically just sits there because of GPS. wind blows, it will adjust itself to stay within the vicinity of where it was last stopped. And we will go up.